Hello, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial, I am discussing about the while loop. A while loop statement in Java programming language repeatedly executes a target statement as long as a given condition is true. The syntax of while loop is very simple. If we see the while loop here, that the syntax will be very simple. Here while loop here, and in while loop boolean expression there, and body of the while loop is there. If our while loop condition is true, then it will execute the body of while loop. If our condition will false, then it will terminate the body and it will come out of the body of the while loop. If I seeing the flow diagram of while loop, then here we can see that our control flow will first come into the condition. It will check that condition is true or not. If our condition is true, then our statement will go code of the block and then return back to the condition, and until and unless our condition is wrong. If our condition will false, then it will come out of this loop and it didn't execute the body of the while loop. If I taking an example of while loop, then here we can see here I have taken a variable x is equal to 10 and having a condition that while x is less than 20. Here we can see that x is 10 and 10 is less than 20. Then our body of the while loop will be executed here. Then our x will be printed, and after inside the body we have an incrementation part here. We can see that here if our x will be now become 11, then it will check again the condition that our condition will be false. If our condition will false, then it will terminate our body of the while loop. Here we can see that 11 it will execute 19 times. Why? Because our 19 is less than 20. If x will become 20, then it condition will become false and our body execution will come out of the while loop. If we can see this piece of code in Eclipse, here we can see the same piece of code we can see in Eclipse. Here if we run this piece of code, here we can see our 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 till 19. It will not print 20 because our condition will become false. Here we can see that. So this is a simple example of while loop. Thank you for watching this video.